Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to set up iPhone camera for good pictures. Here are the steps to set up your iPhone camera for taking good pictures. First is to open the camera app. Tap the camera icon from your home screen or control center. Clean the camera lens. Use a soft, dry cloth to remove smudges or dirt for clear photos. Set the aspect ratio. Tap the arrow, top of the screen, then choose 4.3 for standard photos, or 16.9 for wider shots. Enable grid lines by going to Settings, Camera, Grid. Toggle on to apply the rule of thirds for better composition. Back to Camera app, then adjust exposure manually. Tap your subject to focus, then slide your finger up or down to brighten or darken the image. Set image quality. Go to Settings, Camera, Formats, and select High Efficiency for saving space or Most Compatible for wider compatibility. Go back to Camera again, then use Portrait Mode for depth effect. Swipe to Portrait Mode to blur the background and make your subject stand out. Activate Live Photos. Go to Photo section, then tap Live Photo icon. Circle with rings in the top right corner for motion photos, or turn it off for sharper still images. Adjust focus carefully. Tap exactly where you want the camera to focus to sharpen that part of the image. Use natural lighting. Avoid harsh, artificial light. Position your subject near windows or shoot outdoors for best results. Hold the camera steady. Use both hands or tripod to minimize blur, especially in low light. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.